Welcome back to Game Time. Today we have another toy from a YouTuber called Lankybox. Back to school merch box, guys. Let's open it. So this is pretty awesome box. Guys, look, I found out a trick. Oh my god, Lankybox pencils, guys. Lankybox pencils, I used that for sure. That's awesome. Aww. Foxy and Boxy. It's a keychain. That's squishy, that's awesome. A pencil case, guys. Oh, this is Foxy right here. Awesome. Whoa, look at this, guys. This should be good to hold my spot in the book. Whoa, it's actually Post-it note. Awesome, guys. So at the end of this video, we're going to open all of them, guys. Many plushies. That's awesome, guys. Oh, there's more. A notebook with erasers. Oh, a notebook with erasers. Alright, guys. Now we're going to open all of them. Ready? Alright, first let's start off with the pencils. Okay. So there's 3 pencils, guys. Hasn't been sharpened yet. Oh, guys, look, it says Lankybox on there, guys. And it has Foxy and Boxy. Alright, guys. Alright, and now we're going to open these. Let's get notes. Woo. Let's open it, guys. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, guys, look. Note. Let's do the paper clip. Oh, other way, guys. Ooh. Ooh. Foxy and guys, if you can see, this is Foxy. Say hello, Foxy. Say hello, Boxy. Foxy and Boxy. So these guys are from Lankybox Worlds. But they're still in Lankybox shows. Thick shark, you know, thick. I'm not thick, I'm thin. Alright. Now we're gonna open Foxy pencil case. And guys, we can put these things in our pencil case. Let's open it, guys. Guys, look. Let's open the inside. Let's see what's in the inside, guys. Is it gonna be Foxy's mouth? If it is, that's funny. Oh, it's just blank peach. Still pretty cool. Let's move this box out of the way. Alright, guys. Let's open this for sure. The plushies. Oh, guys, you can touch it. They're coming out, guys. Look at it, Foxy and Boxy. Wee, wee, ba-ba-da-boo, woo. Oh. Last thing, guys. Oh, away. Alright guys, let's open this! Yeah! Milky milk, milky milk, milky, milky milk. We're gonna unbox this Lankybox. Oh, that's sick. And look guys, it's not regular. Foxy Unboxes on there. It's awesome. And there's one more thing guys. We have Foxy and Boxy eraser. Let's open it, guys. Oh my, that's sick. Oh, that can be our eraser right here. Pretty much. This one can be Boxy on here. And this one can be Foxy on here. I'm only bringing one to school so I can ace my math test. Which one should you think I can bring? Comment down below, which one should I bring to school? Alright guys, that's awesome. And now, the last thing we're going to do is put everything in here. Stirs. Alright guys, let's put everything in here. Like I said, let's do pencils first. Alright, I put the pencils in, guys. Completed. Let's put these in. These are so cute. These things I like because they're so cute. Oh my god. Let's put this in. Oh my god, that's so cool. Put everything in there. Oh guys, look. There's tape. That's what belongs on Foxy. He has a box on his head. One of these on my backpack. But I know it's mini plushies though. So this is Foxy. And this is... But no. This is Boxy and this is Foxy. Use this next year. Everything. I'm going to use everything next year. And I'm going to draw on this notebook and everything. That's... Guys, comment down below if you like Lankybox as well. And shout out Lankybox. 5 out of 5. Like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye. Wait, guys. Make sure to join us back here soon in